All right, hey, what's up, y'all? I want to make sure that we all have the application on our phone, all right, which works very similar to the PC application or the PC version, but I think it's more conducive for most of us to post and check in on things. And if you need a Zoom call to show you how to use this amazing community, please let me know because for a lot of you, I've done a Zoom call to show you, and some people have not. All right, now to make sure that you have the application on your phone, you're going to log into community.superhumantransformation.com on your computer, and then you're going to go up to your profile and click on your settings, and then there's this little button here that says text me the app. And then once I put my phone number in here, this will send me the application to my phone, okay? Now, once you get the application installed on your phone, it may automatically take you to SuperHumans United, but if not, you can search for the network SuperHumans United and then log in from there, all right? If you have any questions whatsoever, just let me know, and I'm looking forward to developing this community with you guys. Later.